What's going on, guys? What's up? What's good this morning? Got a bit of a green candle going on right now. Very nice, very juicy. Love to see it. Love to see it. So last night we broke above this resistance level here at 2 cents 020. It has been resistance for about 4 days now. We broke above it. We're back down below it. It's a good sign that we broke above it, though, even if it's just a wick. But we still got like 6 hours for this daily candle to close. So we could break back above it and close above it, which would be very, very bullish. As long as Bitcoin continues its strength. Bitcoin's at 63.7 right now. Was as high as 64.2 this morning. So very, very bullish, guys. Looking good. Looking good. Bitcoin is officially green on the month. October is officially a green month right now. Holmes, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Make sure you smash the like and subscribe, guys. Helps the channel grow. Strange Sky, Joe, what's up, man? Good to see you. Sun is hot's in the house. What's up, buddy? Big Kev, man. Crypto, make crypto great again, Rob Father. Nice. Hey, Sorrow, what's up, man? Maximum price for JASMY this cycle, please. I literally just did a JASMY price prediction video yesterday. I highly recommend going to watch it. William, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Beebs in the house. What's up, man? Dumb Money, what's going on? I like the green. Yes, I do too, my friend. I do too. Very, very bullish. Okay, so yeah, guys, listen, October, Pumptober, officially a green month as of right now. So far, so good, right? Batlander's in the house. What's up, buddy? Tell me again here, my friend, if you like, don't be cheap. Don't be like that. Go give at least give the view on the video, man. Like, I put in the work to do a price prediction video for you. The least you could do is go watch it. Gavin, what's up, buddy? Beebs, XCN, bullish news. Yes, absolutely, man. Absolutely. All right, so let's go have a look at the candles, guys. See what's going on. What's the market look like today? Boom. JASMY up 1.4%, 2 cents 015. BTC, like I said, holding 63.744 nicely. XCN was up as high as 1 cent 37 this, or 20137 this morning. Had a nice pump. It was up over 8% a little while ago. So very nice, guys. Very nice across the board. Look at SUI this morning. Oof. Plus 18.3%. Very juicy. Turbo up 16.5%. There's some good gainers this morning, guys. Some very good gainers. And there's still some good DCA opportunities as well, right? You can pick up some Proppy. Look at Proppy's still below $1. Fantastic deal there. You got Beam in the red, Flare, XLM, Casper. Some good opportunities. LCX, Stronghold, Fordo, Wagami Games. Good opportunity, man. Lily, what's up? Good to see you. John, what's up, man? Rainy day turned into sunshine after BTC took a leg. Yes, exactly. It's looking juicy. All of a sudden, I told you guys, between the 11th and the 15th is when I think things are really going to start to ramp up. I'm trying to decide if I'm going long or on SUI right now or not. Well, I mean, it is up 18.5% on the day. So it might be due for a little bit of a correction. I mean, if you're long on SUI, then you might as well just spot purchase it, right? Instead of risking, I don't know if you're going to use leverage or not, but I bought some, Ondo, I think. I assume you meant Ondo. Nice. Yes, Ondo. Great pickup, Ondo, guys. We discussed, listen, last night guys, over on the Patreon, we do group video coaching calls. And last night we discussed Ondo and Pith, right? As fantastic must-hold projects in your portfolio, not only for this bull run, but for the next one. If you want to get in on those discussions, guys, the link is in the chat. Get over to the Patreon because you're missing out on the alpha. AIOZ went up 13%, but sits at 8% on the day. I don't have AIOZ. I'm not watching AIOZ. Really? Oh, I'm going to have to add that to one of my watch lists. There we go. I thought I had it on my watch list already, but yeah. Yeah, it's up 7.9% right now. Not too bad. Not too bad. Dumb money. Rob, you said another pullback will occur. Do you still believe that? I think it's possible, right? You got to remember that nothing is 100% in crypto. I think it's possible that, yes, we could still sweep the lows. It's not impossible, but I'm hoping we just slowly grind our way up. We melt up from here. That would be fantastic. Cat, long time no see. How's it going? Good to see you. Nicholas, what's up, big dog? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. All right, let's get into some of the news. We got to get into some of the news, guys. Big things popping, little things stopping, right? Okay, what do we got? Bitcoin Magazine. What are they talking about? I wanted to show you guys this because I found it funny. It says Bitcoin is the best performing asset so far this year. There is no second. There is no second best. Okay. Now, while I love Bitcoin, I hold Bitcoin. Don't get me wrong, but Bitcoin is not the best performing asset of the year. It's not, right? They do that. See, when Bitcoin maxis, when they talk about Bitcoin being the top performing asset, they don't compare it to any other cryptos because that doesn't suit their narrative, right? They only use other asset classes, right? Real estate, gold, silver, so on and so forth. But you notice how they don't, any other cryptos are in there? Because most cryptos are good cryptos. Look at this, from Little Courtesy, Little Bidman. Stop lying to yourself and your followers. Bitcoin is up 49% on the year. JASMY is up 469% on the year. So therefore, JASMY is one of 42 cryptos that has outperformed Bitcoin this year. Bitcoin is up 49%, JASMY is up 469. So Bitcoin is not the top performing asset of the year thus far. Kat, good to be here. Thank you. Hope everyone's keeping well. We're good. We're doing good. Liquidity. I feel like this week's going to determine a lot of our bullish and bearish momentum. Yeah, it could. It really, really could. Could be a big week. Good evening, by the way. You're all amazing. We love you, Liquidity. We love you, man. Good to see you, my friend. All right, so we got Tim Draper. Check this out. We're gonna listen to some Tim Draper Alpha here, okay? He's over on the Thinking Crypto podcast.
I also had an opportunity to buy a whole bunch of Bitcoin, and I did at a very cheap price. Yeah. And then I lost it all to the Mt. Gox thing. I bought it at $4, like $40,000 Bitcoin, $4. It's all gone to Mt. Gox or whatever. Wow. And then I realized how important Bitcoin was going to be. And so I bought a bunch from the U.S. Marshal's office. And that has been a fantastic investment. And it continues to be. I mean, I'm still a buyer of Bitcoin, net buyer of Bitcoin, because it really looks like it's something that will transform the world.
Tim Draper bought Bitcoin at $4. So for you XCN and Swift fans out there, he also holds both of those projects. So, little food for thought for you there. The man might know exactly what he's talking about. Chris, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Beebs, Holmes, be safe. We boarded up and flew to New England to celebrate my mom's birthday. Hopefully, I don't come home and find too much damage. Yes, I hope everyone stays safe. Absolutely, man. Holmes, Beebs, you guys be safe out there, man. Be safe. We love you guys. Boomer's in the house. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. We got some more from Draper. Check this out, guys. Draper's dropping the alpha.
So Tim, what do you think about the legal battle? So because, Ripple, I think, was the first to really get sued, the big major lawsuit, right? They came out with that with a partial victory where the judge mentioned intrinsically these tokens are not securities. It's very much in line with Howey. It wasn't the oranges or the orange trees or the orange groves. It was Howey's packaging, his scheme. Gensler is taking losses in court, right? With Ripple, you got the Grayscale lawsuit and much more. And part of your prediction was eventually the incumbents and the people who are fighting end up adopting this. What are your thoughts on where we're at in that timeline?
We're getting close. We have at least one and maybe both presidential candidates looking to adopt Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as a way to encourage innovation because they know it's happening. I mean, the real killer is all this innovation is happening, and there are many Americans are coming up with these innovative things, and then they geofence the U.S.
Yeah.
In effect, not allowing anybody in the U.S. to try their product. And all those great products are happening outside the U.S., and all those customers are able to innovate from that new platform, and we're not, because there's this big dark cloud that is the SEC today. And the SEC is living in the past. It's an 80-year-old set of laws that they're clinging to. And it's just time to change. The world's moved on. And if you want to compete in this world, if you want to be the US and still compete and still encourage all the innovation, all the great things that happen in the Silicon Valley, you've got to embrace this. And I think both presidential candidates understand that. Trump did first. He said, I'm going to be the crypto president. Gary Gensler's going to be fired. I'm going to do this. And so he grasped it early, but I'm also seeing Kamala have some of the same thoughts. So I'm encouraged that we're getting to that place where it's either embraced or accepted. I mean, it's hard. There are 50 million Americans with wallets, with Bitcoin wallets or crypto wallets. That is not a voting block you can ignore.
Exactly. So, I would say to Kamala Harris, I mean, honestly, if you are watching this video, which I know there's 100% chance you're not, if you want a great chance at winning the crypto vote, you need to fire Gary Gensler. You need to walk his ass out the front door. That will convince people that you are pro-crypto. Plain and simple. Fire Gary Gensler. Prove it. You're pro-crypto? Prove it. Fire Gary Gensler. Draper and other billionaires hold. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. I'm bullish on both. Absolutely, man. Swift XCN absolutely voted best eyebrows. Boom. Damn, trim those eyebrows. Yes. The guy could definitely use a trim. That's for sure. We got more videos, guys. We got more from Squawk Box. Check it out.
JP Morgan Chase and Wells Fargo will kick off big bank earnings on Friday. Joining us now with what to watch is David George, Baird Senior Research Analyst. The most important point that's happened recently, David, I guess, is the 50 basis point cut, bigger than people thought. And that's what could make this quarter a little better for banks?
And thanks, Joe. Good morning, and appreciate you having me on. The 50 basis point cut, from our perspective, on the near term is a positive. I think it's important that bank investors have been fretting a little bit about the prospect of additional 50 basis point cuts. The industry, Joe, from my perspective at least, would really prefer a more moderate easing in Fed policy, most notably more 25 basis point cuts rather than an aggressive number of 50 basis point cuts. And that is due to deposit betas and deposit movement. A more gradual easing, we think, in policy will be more well received by the stocks and from an earnings perspective. So the initial 50 is fine, but from our standpoint, the group would more likely prefer more 25, a little bit more less aggressive Fed over the near term.
Other than just net interest income or whatever you get from a steeper yield curve, it helps with M&A, doesn't it? I mean, lower rates, doesn't it help there? Does it help with loan growth? Does it help with anything else that it makes improvement in this quarter more likely across the board?
Yeah, so from a fee perspective, that is going to help, particularly in the fourth quarter. We think fee income expectations are going to be fairly healthy in the fourth quarter, as well as into 2025. So to your point, I think loan growth should show some improvement. Loan growth actually has been fairly slow. It's only been about 1% or so. So we're of the view you should see an improvement in loan demand as we go into 2025 with lower short-term rates. We think will help, as well as the fact that the economic data suggests that we're in kind of a no landing scenario. And also to your point, we should see an improvement in M&A activity to the extent that short-term rates are lower. So that will help. But it's important to also keep in mind that net interest income is about 70% of bank revenue. So that's going to help on the fee side. It's going to help the big guys. But for the vast majority of banks, that net interest income number is still going to be the most key determinant for revenues and earnings in 2025 and beyond.
It's the most wonderful time of the year, and it happens 4 times bank earnings, I think. And I didn't realize it was coming that soon, David. So we got, as I always say, we got that going for us, which is nice. Thank you. We could keep it somewhat short this morning, but good to have you on.
Well, hopefully the bank earnings are good. Another 25 basis points through November, and then another one in December would be fantastic going into next year. I would absolutely love that. Absolutely love it. What do we got? Gavin, hey, Rob, would you say that the gaming at token ILV, that's alluvium, isn't it? Is a good call to accumulate. Alluvium. Let's go have a look at alluvium. I know alluvium did well, very well in the last bull run. ILV. Yeah, alluvium. I do not think alluvium will get back to its all-time high, to be honest with you, because it was like thousands, wasn't it? Yeah, it's like $3,894 was the all-time high in the last bull run. Here's the thing about alluvium, guys, right? Great project, in my opinion. Great project. However, let's go to their website, okay? I am a fan of their project. I am. They have fantastic effects, fantastic gaming. Looks amazing compared to a lot of other Web3 games, right? Here's the problem. Their marketing sucks, right? You can have the best game in the world, but if nobody knows you have it, what the hell? What the hell good is your game, right? Like, look at it. This game looks fantastic. Fantastic. But again, their marketing sucks. So, personally, would I accumulate alluvium? Probably not. I mean, I like it and all, but probably not, just because it's old tech now. There's a lot better Web3 gaming plays out there with, yeah, I just don't see this one. This one will do okay, but I don't think it'll be anywhere near as good as it was. It will not get back to its all-time high, for sure. For sure it won't, in my opinion. Studio Tech, what's up, man? Holmes, hey, Beebs, I boarded up today, and as of now, I am riding it out. Stay safe, man. Stay safe, brother. All right, what else do we got? What else do we got going on? Check it out. So 51,300 Bitcoin have been withdrawn from exchanges this month, including 5,270 BTC withdrawn from exchanges just today, guys. Supply and demand is going to take massive effect. Look at this. The green here is the balance of BTC on exchanges. Okay, look at it plummeting down to 30,000. And as the price continues to rise, right, that's going to continue. It's going to get more dramatic on the rising price side now, in my opinion. So everything balances, right? If you are a holder of the cat meme coin, it is now listed over on BitTrue. So that's bullish. That is bullish. Gavin, thanks. No problem, brother. I got you covered, man. I got you covered. All right. So bullish Bitcoin halving impact has yet to play out, says top analyst. Since the price of Bitcoin soared to new all-time highs of $73,750 in March, it has not traded close to that level again. This is despite the Bitcoin halving event on April 20th, which further deflated the emissions rate of the digital currency. Given recent trends, crypto quant analyst J.A. Martoon has shared an analysis that hinted at the potential rally of BTC moving forward. As of writing, the price of Bitcoin has dropped by 13.32% from its all-time high, $63,716, while some might consider that the coin's non-performing. He does not. He pointed out that 6 months after the halving, the hash rate has continued to grow. Hash rate is one of the Bitcoin's most fundamental metrics. It measures the amount of computing power being contributed to the Bitcoin network, expressed in THS. Currently, it sits at an impressive 683 million THS, he says in his X post. He also highlighted the sustained effort of the current Bitcoin miners to get in the game despite the challenges associated with mining the coin. This resolute pursuit of the remaining Bitcoin in circulation is one reason why he is bullish on the long term. Besides J.A. Martin, Bitcoin also has vocal advocates who believe the asset is headed for a price of over $100,000 very soon. In his characteristic manner, MicroStrategy chairman Michael Saylor recently noted that Bitcoin is winning, a statement amid the coin's recent recovery. Companies around the world are making many gestures in line with their trust in Bitcoin's price trajectory. Metaplanet has once again topped its bags with over 100 BTC, the same amount it has done over the past few months. Besides direct acquisition, institutional buyers are also gaining exposure to BTC through spot Bitcoin ETF products in the US, the UK, and Hong Kong, among other places. Guys, if you do not see the accumulation, Bitcoin is flying off the shelves. And whether you want to believe it or not, at some point very, very soon, it's going to start getting difficult for you to be able to purchase Bitcoin. It's going to be hard to find it, right? I know we live in a world where you might not foresee that happening, but it's coming, guys. It is coming. That's what she said. All right. Bitcoin surge boosts altcoin prospects. So with Bitcoin recently surpassing 63,500, the altcoin market is witnessing a surge in interest from analysts predicting significant price moves in the coming weeks. The rise of Bitcoin is serving as a catalyst, igniting optimism for various altcoins, particularly SEI and Sol. Experts are now closely monitoring these coins to determine their potential price trajectories. Analyst Trader XO shared insights on October 3rd, highlighting a rebound in SEI coin that is pushing toward a target above 65 cents. The current price level of 59 cents 5 and 96 cents 6 are focal points for upcoming traders, indicating a bullish outlook. Trader XO previously entered the market at 28 cents, securing profits as the price crossed 38 cents, and suggesting a potential reassessment during the next market fluctuation. Currently trading at $148, questions arise about the viability of buying Solana coin. Analyst Crypto Tony points out that for a significant rally to occur, the price must convincingly close above $164. He believes that the entry points for buyers would be more favorable above this threshold, with subsequent price targets of $188, $210, and $256. Analysts note a growing bullish sentiment in the market, reinforced by both historical data and upcoming financial shifts. Post-U.S. election, global monetary policies from countries like China are also contributing to the optimism, suggesting a broader recovery in the altcoin market could be underway. Guys, we've also seen money liquidity start to pour back into the Chinese stock exchange after their holiday. So yes, very, very bullish things coming, guys. Cat, do you think I should buy Cat token? Do you know I probably should? That's good. Throw $100 into it. Why not, eh? Dumb money. What a difference between BTC and ETF. Dwayne, what's up, buddy? Hey, Rob. After listening to your price prediction for JASMY, I take you suggest we all get around 80 cents area. Yeah. Well, I mean, yeah. Like, if you're over on the Patreon and stuff, Dwayne, you'll know as well as a member of the channel that, you know, my price targets, where you want to start exiting. And I have a members video coming out very soon about it, actually, probably tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. But yes, you're pretty close to right on target there, my friend. All right. So what else do we got? See if there's any more news to cover here. I think we've pretty much covered it, guys. So listen, as soon as the stream is over, guys, 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, I'm going to be over on the Patreon doing a group video coaching call. So get over there, guys. Join our video calls. They're so much fun and educational. I'll be over there in 10 minutes doing a live chat, moving it over there, guys. So don't miss out on that. And yeah, I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys over on the Patreon. Link is in the chat. It's in the description. It's in the pinned comments. We also do technical analysis training videos, swing trade opportunities, crypto giveaways. Guys, there's so much. You can book one-on-one coaching calls over there. Get over there, get your coaching calls booked in, and let's get chatting. I'll see you guys in the group chat over on the Patreon in 10 minutes.